Mama wakwaba aha GC and page so meeting at the Ajua searching and then the day the kind of the air me a message now was subscribe to my channel. We are now doing sa and me a bell so we a notification and it's an news said the between be a win your beauty and also when you be a share a war GC and page here. Ora kofinya ko oye NPP blogger oye NPP ni na o kire se odo NPP party no edo his excellency na do dan kwakufu ado ye papa na o kire se obeja politics ya na kire se omo aboa vice president Dr. Bawumia na wabe president ansa na weja politics ye odo NPP ye papa abrena bri na obo NPP amayoko no hu dawuru na fe nso ne papa his excellency na do dan kwakufu ado be president waye ede aboa oman Ghana na owura kofinya ko na okase ne se ma okay na ne se eye his excellency oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama ombuga nafo onfaga nafo enye hwe nde enfaga nafo enye hwe ochina ochisa oman pani dada ombuga nafo kra ombuga nafo baako se na adenti na owura kofinya ko kase adofo ye nim se 2024 ewa hanum ya next year ya 7th December ye beto aba ewo Ghana hanum na amanfo mo atwemuti se omo ejina ewo parties ahodu ne mo no omo ye bebre odwani HDM ewo NPP ya ewo ura Alan Cash honorable Canadian compre ko Japan ura free akoto chese nkofo bebre odwani HDM ewo NDC de omo nhyeda endorse eye oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama na fenso ura do na why na jinso person be contest oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama na kamya kwa NDC party no uchem be 100% be 99% epe oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama because they think so oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama be president da enti no na kasa already one market no ho awie na fenso sika kakra wo ho enti no they think say ono oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama na say obedi NDC party nanim se na be ya 2024 metumi edi nkunim na endra na omubie kwan to ho so bia opese o pick form na obaye flag bearer bia no ko NDC office na ko pick form na omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama akọ pick ne form o chese obaye president na Ghana fo bebre won because omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama I think somewhere last year or two kwan na otu kwan no mo ye ne interview no mo bisa ne say obe contesting as president biana so begina na yato ne so ababio na onye sure o se on sheda nye so one sheda ma straight answer enti no okopiki forms ya de Ghana fo e won wa bebre pa Ghana fo na bebre ni se omo ye sure so man pende da John Dramani Mahama no NDC fo de ba isan so man pende da yen kan kware ni enti no pese obeyi nanim na che se o kan Ghana fo enim ne ma bone obeye president o ye enti ye nto abema ni so on kan enti no se abato ni bedu no kan de a eni obi ani ni asem tiende omapende da John Dramani Mahama akopeke ne forms na omapende da akopeke ne forms no Ghana fo bebre na react to omapende da John Dramani Mahama forms akopeke ne bi mo kire se Ghana fo ye njimi ye ni short memory Ghana fo ye nde woka because what be president da ye ni me ye dan assume 4 years wa badenti kono bi mbroma mpende na open Ghana for react na de ade no na owura kofinya ko echese mpende da John Dramani Mahama and respect Ghana for because omanya na ka percent question ye beka ya 2020 ye to abewie wo ka kire NDC fo so omo nto omo ngwa bonti no omo nkoko because mo anwini meanwhile no so na mo ni evidence bi ase mo anwini ti se nkan to kwa ba ya nkan na Ghana le gina hia ka ba ye president na ye ntense ma owura kofinya ko ede etudwa
Ede ben wo Ghana de wo ka. Omanya umu oman no. You don't respect the country. Hey Percy, long time child. A country that you don't respect, that they voted against you, you do not accept it. Only when this is for Heniama mu year 2020, from 2020 to about year 2021. Look at what you people did. In Ghana need dia wadwen go from wadwen emu friends any right thinking Ghanaian udwen o man ho no sa NDC party we you will never MPP for nya shrabofo yes MPP o nya shrabofo ene utu kwan ba bia wo Europe ba bia ni wa ene make say last week na ye the Hague na enyuma no bebre call strike this week in Amsterdam I'm cause strike make us say ni for better pay because baby I dey to feel say me back room me hu time and cause strike is apo baby am here juma feel say me here juma be 14 years and cause strike put that as this year last week you this week Amsterdam eko opa bisa oko UK na say am ko UK na bus drivers ne trainer yi nyina tube yi na omo nyina cause strike economy ne wo baby ana eden na ye alternative na nya obi to say former president Mahama sabi o man no wonwi o man no ho ade a wo je ne 2020 no Ghana for any ayi Donald Trump basing there one say FBI for storming in fear ni ade they are still investigating him and I think said they will even make sure say they won't allow him to overstand because of what he did. A coach no na say on my ye politics we do politics for development. Now obi asabi wonwe on my basing there he don't even recognize the current president. Now he have the guts to come and tell us say I will be president in Ghana. Now the Ghana deneka ya neneka oti we yetua neka every month onene ma ye show your mom security and no the constitution I don't have any qualms but me problem ni say omu Ghana for omuyan obi a omuyan we don't have to give that person opportunity anymore. We have done a lot for him than he has done for Ghana. It's Ghanaian dia would dog Ghana. We shouldn't allow this one or give him even the space. So be akunyane kra. Shaniama omuya no to senkanye nyame and a dog Ghana na Ghana for do na majority of Ghanaians be peace. And the name of ye senke binom sorry yes ye counter ya to abawi enka by now ka Ghana me no mienu ayeti abrutiri ha no aye kam enu enema ye den no aye sei no ka yen kra ye mu bebre entimi ko holidays o Ghana bio ka by now we get them. This is the person wasan be gina ho say opese to abama no ompa Ghana chow e wo niam omo ye yo ebesi na the president otisu kra onya you ompa oman ni chow ompa judiciary chow ompa issue chow no Ghana saying no, we shouldn't allow this to go on in our country. We shouldn't allow such a man who is full of greed and full of selfishness need yam kwani hiyano say o man no besi also person obey your man pani o man mu a say wo dwen o man na utim no unrespected Ghanaians ono de ono ni NDC ni benya nko a eti yemu bebre no we have to yes sorry there kasa obi nkasa MPP nya bibia mbaye. I know people are disappointed but sabi the MPP to turn ho anytime you woman e wo wiase no anytime no your president no opportunity o nyaa e hin ode ekoye former president Atamils ewuye and oba be ye president obi a no ye vice president or no ba ye pe and obeka kire si awe na amanaka dompi after 2012 election I call a year court or see awe na amanaka dompi teachers to me try de na am just 3 months pay on try de 3 years na Ghana ya na mu refi ade ntem former president Mahama is not a man to help Ghana in any way as I say so. We have pampered him so much. He is the luckiest person in Ghana. Nobody in Ghana's history and any opportunity than him. Ghana. Policy back open and why am Ghana. A year today, Olusu election. And Tokwa and an person is your money. And Tokwa and an person is a bit in there on Tibin Pacho. Say, Adiam here, I'm sorry, forgive me. Say, the same country now. O person ki jatomu no ene o person o sa be president country no nyame o hata su o mani si da minya nyame ba nyankopon hata su o mani si ana nyame nyame o mani si da na Ghana fo nyina nso pa de aden obi anim ye wa ho trem obi anim enkware ye wa ho trem enema bebira na ye expect no that is not what ye hu enkware pefe ye wa ho trem we are in trouble. We are in economic hardship. But sabi, we are suffering. The economic hardship now. Me who die across the public sector in Trio Biaka na abina collapse to the extent to say, if you are free as it is scared to be funko. And to what here, there are problems here and there, but young Trio near maintaining MPP for years. These NDC people, especially led by and about me, so no one bear flag bearer because or no and on Crawford, you know, on the great scam. But Nibua Mugana for women no as Ghanaians. Former President Mahama have no respect for us. Basically, ultimate pacho omuye and to one Ghana for you might man who can yan said Sabi and no kwan ye nipa on far respect in my country now. At channel I go so channel or mu country no